What's up, guys? Welcome back to Advancebay. They're going to be taking apart Porsche Panamera 4S, and we're going to be taking apart the Miro.
So we're taking the mirror off the car.
Yeah.
Do you know how to do it?
No.
No?
No.
Yeah, guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm teaching my son. He's 10 years old. His name is Nicodemus. I'm teaching him how to take Porsche Panamera 4 parts. So far, Nicodemus, let's do a quick, walkthrough what so far we have done. What do you remember? It's been a couple of weeks since we came back to our channel working.
1 month. Maybe.
So far, as you guys can see it, we pulled. What was here, Nicodemus? See, it's hard. It's cool. You gotta learn, right? Tail lights. Right, tail lights. So we pulled.
Oh, the tail lights. I know.
Yeah, the tail lights. We pulled the tail lights. What else? What else? What else? It's missing on the car.
The bag.
What was the bag? Rear bumper cover. Rear bumper cover. That is correct. What else? What's missing on the car?
The wheel.
The wheels. Wheels and something else we've done.
Door panels.
Door panels. See, every door missing a door panel. So we pulled them. On our channel, we have those videos where we're showing how to take them apart. So you guys, please watch our videos, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share our videos. If fathers, if you guys have boys like Nicodemus and you would want them to learn about the car, how to dismantle a car, it's a good way teaching them. So Nicodemus, let's come back to our car, right? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna start pulling a mirror out. Do that. Okay, in order for us to pull the mirror out, you need to first step is to do what? Pull the door panel, correct?
Yeah.
So we've already done that. Check our episode on how to pull door panel off the Porsche Panamera. So now, what's next? What are we gonna do?
Unscrew this.
Okay, so Nicodemus found a screw right here. There's a bolt, right? Mm-hmm. Right inside.
Is there only one?
Okay, I think I have the tool inside the car right there. Mm. Let's see if we can break that bolt. Go ahead, just put it inside. You have to break the bolt, and I'm not sure if that will let us remove the mirror.
Why not?
I don't know, we'll see. So go from the other side.
Mm-hmm.
Can we get that?
I think so.
Okay, so something else is holding. What do you think? What it is? What is it? What's holding the mirror?
I don't really know. The wire is it?
The wire. Yes, the wire.
How do you take it off?
Okay, we have to find out.
I don't see anything.
Come back on this side.
Okay.
And I think this is gonna be the wire for the mirror. So we have to unplug it first.
How do we unplug it?
So we have to unplug this. Okay? So you pull this red pin like this, and I hope it let us. You pull that, and then at the bottom right here you press the black another pin. So it helps. Okay, there you go.
There's one.
And we're gonna pull this. It's okay.
Pull it or push it?
Let's pull it first and see if if we got the correct wire for the mirror.
Should I go on that side?
Okay, let's try another one.
It's not letting us come through.
Okay. So we don't know exactly which wire. I believe this should be for the mirror.
I think we should unscrew this maybe.
When I pull, yeah, does it move?
Yeah, it moves.
It moves, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So somehow we're gonna have to. Okay, there we go. I'm pulling a wire. Come on this side. See? Came out like this. This is cool. So the mirror has the light at the bottom.
Ooh.
Has the light. Somebody did the paint job before. I guess they didn't sand it well enough, so it's peeling. Some of the paint already peeled off the mirror. But you know, it is what it is. This is when you
repaint it.
And they have a scratch. Well, somebody else can purchase, and they can do some, you know,
So
touch
you're
up on
gonna
this.
sell it like that?
Yeah, we're gonna sell it on eBay.
Okay.
Check our eBay down. We have a link down below in our description where you can actually you will be able to find this mirror on in our store.
How much would it cost us?
I'm not sure. We'll see it. Okay. Are we ready to do another side?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're back to the other side. This is the right side, outside mirror. And this door is damaged, but you know, good that we have the mirror. So, okay, Nicodemus, okay, show us again what we have to do.
So, pull this.
Okay.
Then do the next one.
Let's see if he can do the other side. Okay, you have to have a good grip. Be careful not to cut your fingers here. Okay, I think he got this side.
Yep, it's all the same.
Listening. Okay, good.
Just not comfortable with this stool.
No, because you have to remove it from the extension. Okay. Press right here and pull it out.
It didn't go out. I didn't put it.
It's gonna be a good experience for you.
I think it's good. Or a little bit more.
Okay, so we got it loose. Now, okay, what's next? What do we have to do next?
Take this bolt out.
Okay, you can use this. It's okay. Just what's next?
What's next?
Yeah, what do we have?
So can I have this tool?
Okay. So we have the plug, right? We have the wiring. So do you remember which wiring?
Mm-hmm.
So okay, so we're pulling that red pin out. Okay, and then we have no, there's a black, also a black pin right here. You gotta press that.
Push it.
Press and pull. Okay, there you go.
And
Next, what else? See, the door is a little bit. Okay,
oh yeah.
let's go on the other side. Okay, you don't want to rip
I don't.
the plug, the wire, right? So you want to. There you go. This is your first mirror
Yep.
that you pulled off the Porsche Panamera. Man, there's a lot of guys who will be excited to work on a car like this.
I'll teach them.
You'll teach
I'll
them?
make my own channel and teach them.
So what is this called?
Mirror extension.
Exterior.
Exterior.
It's outside the car.
Oh.
Okay?
What is an extension?
I don't know. Exterior mirror.
Did I just make that window?
So now you know, right? This is pretty cool that this mirror is actually holding on with one bolt, and this is it's a powered mirror, so it can fold automatically. When there is a when you park, you press the button and this mirrors will close automatically, so people don't break them and so on. Yeah, that's fine. It's okay.
So when you go in a car wash, you put them in?
Yeah. Not a car wash. Usually it's for the parking lot. When you get like this compact parking lots,
yeah.
And you don't have enough space, and you can fold the mirrors so nobody can actually scratch them, hit them. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, when they open the door, they might.
Yeah, guys, so that's it. This is a short episode for you guys. Just we wanted to show you how to pull the mirrors out of a Porsche Panamera. Don't forget that you have to pull the door panels out first, right?
Yeah.
Last word, Nicodemus. What do you gotta say?
Don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up.
And share our video, right?
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. Thanks once again.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye.